What is up guys, my name is Asho, back into another video, and in this one we'll be unboxing a new plant which will be my new addition to my carnivorous plant collection. As you can tell by the title, this will be a Drosera Filiformis. Just to let you know guys, this video was recorded a few months back, so it was recorded in July, and let's just carry on with the video. So there's the plant, and you can already see that the limbs of the plant are different to the Drosera capensis, because they look sort of like tentacles, like octopus tentacles, and they do really sort of swirl around when they catch prey. So there's the tag that I received with it, and it's a Drosera Filiformis subspecies Filiformis. The coloration of the plant is very similar to the Drosera capensis. In fact, I don't think anything changes, so the tentacles themselves are green, and then the little hairs on the tentacles are red as well, and then the dew is always transparent. You can see the plant there itself, and in a few minutes I will show it off. So I'm gonna leave you to the preview of the plant itself, and you'll see me in the next one.